November is celebrated across the United States as a National Adoption Month, and here in Fairfax County we have a celebration every year, and today marks the night that we celebrate adoption in Fairfax County. So we have a celebration. All of our foster and adoptive parents come together with the children that they're caring for. Well, right now we have, unfortunately, 8 children and youth that are interested or are open to adoption that are available for our families to adopt, and we'd like to find loving homes for those 8 children. The families that can adopt and foster have to be at least age 21 years. We are looking for families who are single, families who are married, families who may be divorced. You can live in an apartment, own your own home.
There was sort of a void in my life. The grandchildren no longer needed me, and I had lots of time on my hands, so I happened to go to the regional library in Reston, and on the wall was a placard. It had the child picture on it with tears coming down, and it said, "Do you have room in your home for me?" And I looked at that card, that placard, and I saw that child, and I remembered that I have a home with 4 extra bedrooms. And I literally answered that child and said yes. I then took down the contact information for Fairfax County foster care and adoption, the phone number and all, and several weeks later got in touch with them and got into their program. At the time that I went through the program, I said I would not adopt because of my age, basically. But when I got Joshua, the circumstances under which I got him, and what his life had been like during the years that he had been in foster care, my heart just sunk. So my faith over the months just said, Ernestine, adopt this child. He's been through enough.
And specifically in Fairfax County, over 74% of our foster parents go on and make a decision that they're going to commit to the child that they're caring for in their home, and they adopt. We offer financial assistance, daycare services, services for therapy services, anything that the children that have special needs that are in our care require. And we provide support with our specialists that are here at Fairfax County to support the families in their homes.
Oh, Joshua is flamboyant, lots of fun. But he's the sweetest child you could ever want. Sometimes he says, "Oh, Mommy, I love you so much," and that's worth $1,000 or more to me. Now, in terms of Selena, she's just the opposite. She is quiet, reserved, but very responsible and mature for her age. There is no fear in raising a child. All you got to do is love them. Be able to enjoy them, because they will fill your life beyond your imagination.